From free-range grazing to modern breeding bases, every advance in animal husbandry is intrinsically linked to forage supply. Premium silage serves as both a robust safeguard for enhanced meat and dairy quality, and a cornerstone for ensuring livestock health in the race to elevate silage harvesting standards. Meidi 9QS-3600 self-propelled forage harvester has risen as an industry star through its powerful strength, pioneering a new era for pastoral development. Meidi 9QS-3600 is a medium-size, high-intelligent forage harvester featuring a 3.6-meter foldable harvesting header and a 400 horsepower engine, with exceptional operational efficiency and agile maneuverability. It adapts seamlessly to silage harvesting across large, medium, and small-scale plots. Powerful performance, efficient harvesting. Meidi 9QS-3600 self-propelled forage harvester is powered by a renowned 400 horsepower engine, delivering robust power, high reliability, low fuel consumption, and rapid load response. Paired with a German brand hydrostatic drive system, it ensures smooth operation and effortless maneuverability. Equipped with premium radial tires, the harvester offers superior traction and field adaptability, enabling seamless operation even in challenging terrain. With the harvesting efficiency exceeding 60 tons per hour, it redefines productivity in green forage processing. Reliable harvesting, smooth operating. The high-speed rotating cut disc of header guarantees exceptional stability and swift, thorough cutting, while the feed conveyor system ensures smooth material flow. Its cutting mechanism features 20 tungsten-carbide-coated blades that remain razor-sharp and durable. An automatic blade sharpening system simplifies maintenance, ensuring consistent cutting precision for clean, uniform forage segments. Adjustable length from 6 mm to 22 mm. The special material and heat treatment process of the roller-type seed crusher make it durable, and the crushing efficiency rate can reach more than 95%, preserving maximum nutritional value to deliver premium silage for livestock. Intelligent technology, comfortable operating. The harvester integrates a next-generation electrically controlled hydraulic operating system with multifunctional joysticks and an embedded MCU controller, enabling intuitive operation and enhanced work efficiency. A German brand-engineered automatic lubrication system delivers precise, timed oiling to critical components, reducing maintenance downtime and extending bearing service life. The spacious cabin features an oversized curved windshield for panoramic visibility, along with an air conditioning system and vibration dampening seats, transforming demanding harvesting tasks into comfortable, fatigue-free operations. The Meidi 9QS-3600 self-propelled forage harvester is characterized by its reliable and efficient harvesting capabilities, as well as its intelligent and comfortable operation system.